Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to English online class. So, students, today we will learn some more new four-letter words. The first one is kept. K-E-P-T. Kept. The four-letter word is kept, and the sound of this four-letter word is K says ka, E says e, P says pa, T says ta. Kept. The next one is pets. The sound of this four-letter word is P says pa, E says e, T says ta, S says sa. Pets is pets. Now the third one is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. And the sound of this four-letter word is N says na, E says e, C says ka, K says ka. Neck. The word is neck. Now the fourth one is meal. M-E-A-L, meal. The four-letter word is meal, and the sound of this four-letter word is M says ma, E says e, A says e, L says la. Meal. The word is meal. Take out your English books, that is my writing book, and open page number 3333. First of all, write down date and class work. So today we will learn some more new words, some more four-letter words with the help of vowel E. So here the first word is kept. K-E-P-T, kept. Always remember one thing, that first you have to read the word and then you have to write. Only then you can learn the pronunciation of that particular word. Okay, so first you have to read and then you have to write. So the word is kept. K-E-P-T, kept. So first we will trace, then we will write. We start from the second blue line. K E P and T, kept. The word is kept. Now let's learn how to write this word. Keep your pencil here. We will start from the second blue line. So keep your pencils here. First we will make K, like this, join E in it, P, and then T. Kept. The word is kept. The next one is pets. P-E-T-S, pets. The word is pets. So first we will trace P E T and S, pets. Now let's learn how to write. We start from the second blue line. First we will make P, join E in it, join T in it, like this, pets. The third one is neck. The third one is neck. N E C and then K, neck. The word is neck. Now let's learn how to write. N, join E in it, C in it, and then K, neck. The four-letter word is neck. Now the fourth one is meal. M-E-A-L, meal. So first we will trace Meal, the word is meal. Now let's learn how to write. So to write meal, we start from the second blue line. First make M, join E in it, join A in it, and then make L. Meal, the word is meal. Now you all have to complete this remaining page by yourself. You have to complete it by yourself. That's all for today. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then,